friends, this is Prapreet Kaur and today we are going to deal with the topic of budding and vegetative propagation. First we will deal with budding. In this process there is hydra. In case of hydra, at the part of hydra's specific part of its body, the outgrowths start growing. The outgrowth is known as bud, and the bud starts growing progressively and it's form a small hydra. Here a small hydra is formed, and the dermal layers and the digestive cavity grows with the parent hydra, and the parent hydra supplies nutrients to budding hydra, and it grows very progressively. And due to this the due to the progressive growth of budding hydra, it separates and start to live independently, and again there is an outgrowth form on its hydra. This process is known as budding. Budding. And the second one is vegetative propagation. Vegetative In vegetative propagation, reproduction in plants takes place due to root, stem, bud and leaf. And in the case of potato, it takes place on the eyes on the tuber, whereas in the sugarcane or grasses, it takes place in the buds present on the nodes, and in the bryophyllum it takes place buds present on the leaf of the margin. And in the last example which I am giving, which is carrot or radish, it presents in the it takes place in the roots of the stem. This is known as vegetative propagation. Only 2 topics for today, and in my next video we will deal with the topic of spore formation, and with a new concept I will be there for you. Do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. See you soon with my